Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the language and region. No, not here. Additional settings, then keyboard and input method, then Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type. Let's select, for example, some aesthetic language like Greek, and then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.